Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel. The 2024 Honda CR-V proved its mettle in the Euro NCAP crash tests. In the frontal offset test, the passenger compartment stayed stable, with good protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. Honda also confirmed the car delivers consistent protection across different occupant sizes and positions. In the full-width rigid barrier test, the CR-V performed well, offering good protection for the driver and adequate protection for the rear passenger. The side barrier and side pole impact tests were standouts for the CR-V, earning maximum points with good protection in all critical areas. Though the CR-V has a center airbag to reduce occupant-to-occupant injury, a slight penalty was applied for head protection, as the heads of the front occupants could come dangerously close. Whiplash protection? Excellent, both in the front and rear seats. Add-in features like an advanced e-call system and post-collision braking, and the CR-V is certainly loaded with safety. But would this performance sway your decision to buy one? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned to our channel for the next crash test results, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the automotive safety.